Hey guys, welcome back to T Studios, and today we're going to be adding the levels and the user interface into our first-person shooter game. And if you missed it, this game is a fast-paced, roguelike first-person shooter where you shoot enemy shapes. We also added the main mechanic to the game in the last video, which is that each time you defeat an enemy you'll gain a small amount of energy, but each of the enemies is also taking up energy, so you have to try to get a full bar of energy and then go through the portal at the end of the level. And if you want a more in-depth explanation and the process of how I made it, I recommend you watch the last video. Also, at the end of the video, I'm going to release a demo for this game, so you can try it out, and at the end of the video, I'll have all the instructions and where to find it, so be sure to stay tuned. So with that, let's get on to adding the levels and the user interface into our game. So I started off by making the first level and added cubes and stairs around the level. And I also added these floating platforms with the animation that moves them up and down. And if you jump on them, they'll start to blink, and then blink faster, and then disappear. And then after a few seconds, they'll reappear again. So I added this just in case that if there's an enemy chasing you, you can jump on the platform, and then maybe jump off and then defeat them. But it turns out this level might be too hard, so I decided to make this the last level. And then what was going to be the second level is now going to be the 8th level. So for the first level, it's just going to be an open area, because after getting some feedback, it turns out that the first level should just be an open area so you can get used to the game and try different things out. And the second level is going to be a block in the middle, so there's at least some other element in the level. I decided to stop here so I can get your guys' feedback on the levels and adjust them or add things to make them better. After this, I decided to add some things that will juice up the gameplay. So I added screen shake and numbers that appear when you defeat an enemy. So I totally didn't make a whole script just to find out there's a package that lets you add screen shake with one line of code. Yep, 100%. So now that there's screen shake, I decided to add numbers that appear when you defeat an enemy, and give it an animation to pop in and shrink, and then disappear after a few seconds. And now I think it feels a lot better to play, especially when you defeat an enemy. So with this done, let's get into adding the user interface. I got this really nice user interface off the Unique Asset Store, and I think it looks amazing. And I have this main menu page, but none of the buttons work right now. And it's the same in this level sections tab. And you can just move through the different sections. So I'm gonna add some functions to UI now, and I'll tell you how it goes. So after some work, if you press the play button, you'll go to the level sections page, and you can move around with the arrow buttons and press the back button if you want to go to the main menu. The other sections don't go anywhere because those sections haven't been made yet, but if you click on the first section, you'll go to a level select screen with 4 levels on it, and the rest of the levels are locked. And clicking on a level will bring you to the corresponding level. Then I decided to make the other sections actually go to a page where the levels are locked instead of just not doing anything. Then I made a victory screen with functioning buttons that go to the next level, restart the level, or go back to the main menu. And I did the same with the game over screen, except there's a button to go to the next level. Also, something I didn't mention is that I added a health bar, and I also made them both look better too. After this, all there was to do was, well, fix a tiny bit of bugs. Well, maybe not a tiny bit. Wait, what? Wait, what? How? So apparently now we can see through things? Okay. Ah! Also, if you're enjoying this video, be sure to subscribe and like. I was a lot of hours wanting to make this video and in the game, which half of, maybe might have been fixing bugs, maybe. So anyways, let's continue. So now that these bugs are fixed, the demo will be out on itch.io, link in the description, very soon after this video is launched. And to download the game, just click the download now button, and you'll be able to download the game, then find it in your files, right click on it, click extract all, and then you'll be able to play the game. And I would love to hear your feedback either on my Discord server, link in the description, or just in the comments below. So I'm really happy with the progress we got today, and I really hope you enjoyed. And if you did, make sure to subscribe and like and comment your feedback. So with that, I'll catch you in the next video. See ya!